Okay. Oh, I am back again, and this is Rinty's Plate. Hi guys, how you all doing? I thank you very much for all my subscriber. I want to thank you very much. Today, I'm not going to make no ginger juice. No ginger juice today. I'm going to make a carrot punch. Okay? All right, I have with me some carrot looking very good. And with my carrot, I'm gonna put Malta, and peanuts. These are the good peanuts, right? And I'm gonna put a little bit vanilla, and I have cinnamon powder. I have mixed allspice, and I have nutmeg. And I'm gonna top it up with my sweetened milk to sweeten it. Okay? All right, stay tuned. I'm going to wash my carrot and I get right back to you. Okay, guys, I am back with my carrot. Okay, first, I am going to soak my peanuts with one of my Malta. Yes. I'm gonna have it soak. Meanwhile, I'm doing my carrot. My peanut is soaking. Okay. It blend a little better when it's soaked. Okay. Look what came from the carrot. You see it? I'm just gonna cut these small. You know, you can cook them and then you make a punch. But I'm just gonna blend mine like this. That's why I'm cutting them so small. I do this like around 3 times or 2. Just gonna cover it with the water. Okay. Okay, this is my second load. Second part. Oh, it's so rich and nice. Wow. Okay, now for my peanut. For my peanut with my malt I put to soak before. Okay. Wow. And I'm gonna add my spices all here. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. This is my nutmeg. I'm putting with all the peas. Here's another 1/4 spoon. My cinnamon powder. Okay. All right. Okay, it's very thick, so I'm gonna add my next Malta to it. Juice, thick and nice, and I will just add my peanut. Look how my peanut come out sweet and nice. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. You see it when the nutmeg and the cinnamon to blend. You don't see nothing in it. Cool and nice. Look, I don't have my milk yet. So look how it's sweet. Very good. So I'm gonna add my milk. I already washed the can. So I think I'm gonna use the whole thing. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna taste a little and see it, if it's okay. Oh, it's a good thing I put all of the milk. I think we're ready to drink. Look, very nice.
Guys, this is so nice.
Rich.
So nice. I'm enjoying it, guys. I can feel the taste of peanut in it, the rich peanut
Nice.
and the carrot. The next glass, wifey.
Put it here.
Guys, this is so delicious. This is my second glass. Guys, I wish you was there. It's so delicious. You could enjoy every minute of this. All the flavor is so much tasty inside of it. Thank you again, wifey.
You're welcome, Rosie.
Ooh.